Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your workspace and removing residue. This prevents bacteria and eases cleaning. Once the sink is clear, disassemble every piece, nipple, collar, vent system, and keep them together. You then run warm water over each part, holding bottles upside down to flush milk. Use short, deliberate motions. The goal is visible residue removal before soap. Make sure to separate foam liners and self-sterilizing caps, because trapped liquid hides bacteria. An immediate rinse reduces staining and odors. You now move to active washing. Apply a small amount of mild dish soap to a dedicated bottle brush and scrub the inside with firm, circular strokes to reach the base. Next, clean nipples and small parts with a nipple brush and squeeze to force water through the hole. This flushes trapped milk. Once done, rinse each item under hot running water. This removes soap and loosens residue. Make sure to inspect visually and by touch. Any film means repeat the scrub. You complete cleaning by choosing a sanitizing method appropriate for the material. Boil bottles and nipples for 3-5 minutes, use an electric steam sterilizer, or follow directions for a cold water sanitizing solution. Once sanitized, place items on a clean drying rack and let them air dry fully. Avoid towels because they can transfer microbes. After drying, reassemble with washed hands and store covered. If odors or residue persist, rewash.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.